guys, it's Brian Carroll, Jim Maloof Realtor. We're in our hometown of Pekin, Illinois right now, where we have an excellent office filled with excellent agents. But today, we're not going to talk about the agents. Today, we're talking about something way more important, and that is barbecue. Let's go eat. Oh my God, yes. The smell is unbelievable. What's your name, kind sir?
Well, my name's Brian Battles.
What are you known for around these parts?
I guess the barbecue for now.
Yeah,
we got some ribs and some other things going in here.
Oh, holy moly. This is definitely the best one of these videos we've ever done, I guarantee you right now. Man, it's incredible. You can smell it driving up the street. I mean, you hit about a block down and it just starts hitting you in your car with the windows up.
Yeah, absolutely. I smell like this all the time. So.
That's why I like you. How long you guys been here at the new place?
A little over 2 weeks. I think this is our third week.
How's it going so far?
So far, so good. Yeah,
awesome.
Can't complain.
I keep hearing great reviews, and I mean, who complains? It's barbecue.
Yeah,
I mean,
right. You run out. Hey, I mean, you come back tomorrow.
There you go. Exactly.
That's how it works. You know?
Exactly. So why barbecue? What got you into barbecue?
Oh, I don't know. In general, I mean, don't have it around here, I guess. So it was kind of an easy way into the restaurant business.
Yep.
There's a lot of fried food. There's a lot of other stuff, so you don't really get a lot of this stuff. Plus, it takes a lot of work to get this up and going.
Yeah.
Every morning, every day.
What's your day look like? What time you start?
Well, I'm up probably about 4:30 or so every morning. I try to get up here 6. I do the ribs fresh every day. The brisket, the pork butts are usually started the day before, going into the next day. Hog wings usually fresh every morning. So yeah, usually here throughout the nighttime. Yeah, and then about usually 15-hour days.
Jeez Louise, man. So, and listen, you just mentioned hog wings. What the heck is a hog wing?
It's the shank of the pig, the actual fibula of the pig. We had some shortage last year. They couldn't keep up with supply and demand, reached out all over the country. I think they were kind of tired of me reaching out to them. So they are back. There's no shortage right now, so I don't have any plan soon on running out, so I don't think that's going to be any issue anytime.
Can I be very honest with you?
Absolutely.
There may be a shortage after today.
After today?
I'm planning on it.
Well, my last order was 50 cases, so I mean,
wow.
I don't think you can eat me out of 50 cases. So.
That's awesome, man. Well, hey, listen, thanks for the tour of the little slice of paradise we have here
Absolutely.
in Pekin.
Absolutely.
That's beauty right there. And congratulations on
Thank
the new
you.
place.
Yeah,
And
Tuesday,
good luck, man.
Tuesday through Saturday, 11 to 8, closed Sunday and Monday. Gives us some time to kind of catch up. We've been running out over
Dine in and carry out now.
Dine in and carry out.
And do you guys also cater at all? Do you
we do for pickup.
Okay.
Pickup orders and stuff.
Gotcha.
As far as transporting, it's just easier. People
All
come in.
pick up?
Plus, it's cheaper for the customer that way. So
yeah, gotcha.
You come in, you pick it up, you take it. Cheaper that way. Absolutely.
Okay, I'm gonna get out of the cold and go eat something.
All right, thanks
buddy.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Place looks great. Look at that floor. Look at that ceiling. Hey, Maloof folks, how you doing?
Hi, Brian.
How's it going, everybody?
Hi, Brian.
Look, it's all of our friends from Maloof. Norma, Darla, and Bonnie, Bridget. How you guys doing today?
Doing great.
First time here at BC?
Yes, it is.
Boy, you've been here before?
I have.
Awesome. Okay. Well, we'll talk to you a little bit before our food comes out. Could you smell it like when you're walking in?
Yeah, it smells
Down
delicious.
It's like a block down. It just started kind of seeping in through the car,
Look
and
at the ceiling.
yeah, they've done a great job here.
They have done a beautiful job.
So we're kind of,
That looks like a spider web.
I don't know, isn't that cool?
That is so pretty.
There's a lot of thought, a lot of care went into this place, definitely. We're kind of having a little bit of a little restaurant renaissance here lately these past couple of years, aren't we? We've got a few places where we can eat, and how's the real estate market so far, 2020?
It's been good. It started off fast. I have an appointment to show my listing today, 2 o'clock. Yay.
Congratulations.
So anyway,
Let's get that property sold.
let's get it sold. I had an offer on it, but
Any advice you guys would give anybody that's still sitting on, the decision to get in the market?
Rates are great.
Yeah.
Yes, very, very good. Yes.
3.8.
It changes daily, but about.
About like that.
Historic rates
We have
right now.
grant money available.
Oh yeah.
So
Are you seeing people taking advantage of the grant money and the programs out there?
Yes.
That's awesome. So, what did everybody eat? What's on the menu today?
Having the hog wings.
Hog wings. Have you had a
Special
hog?
of the day.
Have you had a hog wing before? Have you ever
No, I
seen
have
one?
not. I have not.
They're magical. They are so awesome.
Do they fly?
Well, no. The wing. I think the wing thing is just to kind of make you feel like they're kind of familiar to you, but you've never had anything like it. Trust me. Anybody else do anything besides the hog wings?
Chicken nachos.
Chicken nachos.
Yes.
You have chicken nachos here? I didn't know that. Okay, well, we might have to try one of yours. Maybe we can trade.
Sure.
Do like a little sampler or something. Okay. Well, I'm going to let you guys be so we can get some food in front of us and start eating here in a bit, okay? Thanks.
Okay.
Okay, guys, lunch is served here at BC. Look at this. Pork wings. The smell, you can't capture the smell through a video, but I mean, it's pretty incredible. Hey, look who's here. It's T.
Hello there.
T, how are you doing?
Hungry.
Hey, we wanted to all congratulate you on your recent Act of Kindness Award at the PAR Awards. That was awesome.
Thank you.
I noticed you're not being kind to those pulled pork nachos, though.
offered to share, so going once, going twice.
Now, for most of you, this is your first hog wing experience. Norma,
This is my first.
what's your take on the hog wing?
They're delicious.
It's very good.
Yeah,
It's a shame, huh?
I like them better than ribs. I'm not gonna lie to you. Don't tell ribs I said that, 'cause we're still involved. Guys, we did it. We've defeated the BC barbecue menu. What do you think?
It was great.
Delicious.
Awesome stuff.
Delicious.
Wonderful.
Hey, who are you? It's Donna Craig, everybody. Good to see you. Norma, what'd you think?
Oh, I'm coming back for the third time.
Wait, you're having thirds?
No, I'll be back in another day.
You'll be back a third time. Oh, I see. Okay. Well, I loved it. I thought it was great. I think the place looks awesome.
It's beautiful.
And
Really recommend it.
I'm not gonna lie to you. The company was pretty darn good too.
Here's a picture of the bull.
Oh yeah,
Is that a pig or wild pig?
I think it is. I think that's what we ate today. BC barbecue girls. See ya. Thanks. It was awesome. Appreciate it. All right, guys. That's it. It's Brian Carroll with Jim Maloof Realtor and all the fantastic agents from the Pekin Jim Maloof Realtor office. What do you guys think?
Fantastic.
It's nice.
Definitely be back.
It's nice to have barbecue in town, isn't it? Okay. Now get back to work. Sell some houses.
Go guys.
Thanks a lot, BC Barbecue. See ya.